The Porsche AI noise detection system, how does it work? Using artificial intelligence, Porsche Digital has developed a tool for detecting precise noise. This technology called Sounce detects background noise more accurately, which is useful for engineers performing endurance testing. Sounce eliminates the need for engineers to be physically present for these types of tests, which can be taxing on them. Additionally, it can improve the accuracy of error documentation within the auto industry and also enhance component production within that industry. This method could also be used for other testing scenarios with multiple noises that could pose challenge to the human ear. Driver fatigue and strain can be significantly reduced using this system, especially on longer journeys.